Good morning, families and friends. You see, our topic for this morning is the secret that stops success. And our key text is found in Joshua chapter 7. You see, we all love the feeling of victory, overcoming challenges, breaking barriers, and proving that we can do it. See, Israel felt that after Jericho. See, the walls fell without effort, confidence soared. You see, then came Ai, a small place, a small fight, a guaranteed win, or so they thought. But Israel was defeated badly. So the question is, what happened? There are two things that happened. Number one was, first, it was hidden sin. You see, Achan secretly stole that belonged to God. He buried it, he covered it, he pretended everything was fine. And yet the entire nation fell because of one person's private choice. Second was overconfidence. You see, after Jericho, they stopped asking God. You see, they went into battle without prayer, without dependence, without God, and they learned a painful truth. You see, you cannot conquer your battles with yesterday's faith. You see, sometimes we lose not because the enemy is strong, but because we've allowed small buried things in our lives to weaken us, such as a habit, a compromise, or even a lie we tell ourselves. You see, or hidden sin that leads to visible defeat. You see, friends, and sometimes we basically fail because we think we've got this. But victory without God is impossible. So here's the good news, friends. You see, when Israel confessed, God restored them. What was buried in darkness was brought into light. And that opened the door to victory again. So here's my challenge for you today. What's buried in your tent? What battle are you trying to fight without God? Don't let a secret sin stop your success, and don't let pride replace prayer. See, if you want the wall to fall tomorrow, walk with God today. God bless.